Welcome to Netiquette Next. Today we are going to discover an amazing another thing, which is Canva. Canva is a user-friendly and versatile online graphic design tool that allows individuals and businesses to create stunning visuals effortlessly. With its intuitive interface and extensive collection of design templates, graphics, and editing tools, Canva empowers users to bring their creative ideas to life. Brief history of Canva. Canva was launched in 2012, is an intuitive online graphic design platform that has transformed the way individuals and businesses create stunning visuals. With its user-friendly interface and extensive collection of design template, image, fonts, and editing tools, Canva has made design accessible to everyone, regardless of their skill level. Founded by Melanie Perkins, Cliff Obrecht, and Cameron Adams in Sydney, Australia, Canva initially started as Fusionworks, a tool focused on simplifying the creation of school yearbooks. Recognizing the broader potential of their idea, the founders rebranded it as Canva, aiming to democratize design and remove the barriers for non-designers. Since its public launch in 2013, Canva has gained tremendous popularity, attracting millions of users worldwide. Its visually appealing template, drag and drop functionality, and vast library of design elements have made it a go-to platform for individuals, small businesses, and large organizations alike. In 2015, Canva introduced For Work, a subscription-based service tailored to businesses and teams. This offering provided advanced features like brand kits, team collaboration, and access to premium stock image, enhancing the platform's value for professional users. Continuing to evolve, Canva has expanded its services to include Canva Pro, Canva for Education, and Canva for non-profits, catering to a diverse range of users' needs. With its commitment to simplicity, versatility, and empowering creativity, Canva has firmly established itself as a leading online design platform. Today, millions of active users worldwide rely on Canva to create professional-looking design effortlessly, regardless of their design expertise. Canva's impact on design landscape continues to grow, making it an indispensable tool for individuals, businesses, and organizations seeking to unleash their creative potential. That's for now. In the next videos, I will be telling you how to use Canva and what are its features. Please look forward to them and like, share, and subscribe.